Okay, and I did that again and I turned it off. I apologize, guys. But I like this harness. It's really, really cool because it'll give me a chance to get everything wired up. I can put the neutral safety switch in, get that all bolted into place like it needs to be, route the wiring, and start tucking everything so that we can get this done. So the customer is not going to be really happy today. And now I get to tell everybody else. So, all right, see ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Again, jumper trick. Get the window to go down. Both window motors are shot. This is getting to be ridiculous. I truly, truly, truly want to find the person that did this to this car and take him out back. This is utterly disgusting. The gentleman that owns this car is probably one of the nicest people I think I've ever met. Super easygoing, rolls with the punches, not a problem. Unfortunately, we just keep on punching because we keep finding more and more and more wrong. And it's frustrating because we're sitting here trying to do the absolute best job we can, and every time we turn around, we've got to tell the customer, we need more parts. Something else is broken. This is bad. That's bad. Whatever the case may be. This is crazy. This is utterly, utterly crazy. So I'll try and feed the harness through on this door, at least kind of get it in place type deal. And then I'll work on getting the ignition switch out, which I still haven't gotten to because I wanted to get the doors done so I could fix the mirror. But I can't fix the mirror until I get the power window motor in because I can't get to the other bolt. Okay, guys. Next round. Okay, here we go. It's in. We have to let the customer know they need window motors. But we're cleaned up, just like I did the other side. It's a mess, but it's an organized mess now. All the parts are in back so I can actually function up front. We have the wires routed and plugged for the switches. Neutral safety switch / gear selector switch is on. I got to finish the rest of the wiring harness. Okay, so this is routed and in place. So I'll probably have to tuck it up or go under the carpet. I'm not quite sure which, so that we have enough routing for everything. Did I do what I did? Yeah, I did. You stupido. Okay, there we go. I'll put that there. Okay, so we got our harness for the stereo. So I'm going to start routing that up to where it needs to be. Get that clamped down. Get this wiring harness into place where it needs to be because it's got its clamp right here. So we'll zip strap that onto its proper holder so that it'll be there. I'll route everything under because we know this, sorry guys, goes right here. And then these go up for 2 sensors. So we're good that way. I'll scrape everything clean and give that a good ground like it needs to have. We'll get that taken care of. And yeah, now it's waiting on window motors to finish off the doors so that I can fix the mirror and put the window up to do the door. It is what it is. There's nothing you can do, people. You just work with it, you make it pretty, you make it right, and you do your job. And you do it properly. And that's what makes the difference. I don't care if it takes me 6 more months to make this car right. It will be right. But, okay, guys, we'll let you go. I got a few things I can tinker with up front, and then it's off to another car again. All right, see you guys.